everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a very different video. It's going to be my study table transformation. So for the longest time I have been thinking of decorating my study table and organizing it. It has been very messy, so I thought today is the time I should do it and I should record it and show you guys how it looks after and before and everything. So without further ado, let's get started with today's video. So I wanted to paste some pictures on my wall, so I went to Pinterest, downloaded the pictures I wanted and then resized them and then printed them out. So this is how my study table area looks. I know it's really very messy, but today I'm gonna clean it all. I haven't had the time to clean it up, so it's looking a bit too much messy, but now I'll clean everything up and I'll stick the pictures on the wall and everything. So yes, there are these pictures that I'm going to stick on the wall. I have cut the excess paper out. I've cut them into the proper sizes and everything. I'm gonna double tape all of it and paste it on the walls. But before doing it, I have to remove everything from the table and then I'm going to start doing all of it. These are all the pictures that I'm going to stick up on the wall. First I'm going to double tape the back of all the pictures and then one by one I'm going to stick it up there. Done pasting the pictures right up there. I wanted to add more pictures, but the ink was not sufficient in my printer, so this is the pictures that I could print out. Now this Harry Potter frame was gifted to me by my friends on my birthday, and for the longest time I did not know where to hang it or where to keep it, but now I finally thought of putting it right here and I feel it looks so nice. I'm so happy the way it turned out and everything. This is how the main setup looks like now. So this is the complete look of the table, and I'll explain the drawers and cupboards and everything. So this is a keyboard drawer, but now that I don't have a PC, I keep my laptop and the cables and wires and pen drive in it and nothing else. Then we have this drawer. Now in this drawer I keep the stuff that I need but not on a daily basis. I have my calculators, my pens, my expensive pens, then highlighters, sticky notes and stuffs like that. And then I have a cupboard. Now in this cupboard I have all my school stuff, my books, my notebooks, my copies and everything. I have my printer, ink and all of those in here, my board and all other files and copies. That's it for the drawers and cupboards, and on the top I'll explain whatever I have in here. So these are all of my books. Now I don't have a lot of books, but one day when I have a lot of them, I will definitely make a separate shelf for my books and everything. So here I have my diaries and my vision book. Now the video of making my vision book will come very soon, so stay tuned for that. And here I have my pencil pouch. Now here I have my friend's calendar. It was a gift from my friend. I absolutely adore Friends. Now Friends, Harry Potter and The Big Bang Theory are some of my favorite movies, series, whatever you want to call it. I am a big time Harry Potter fan, Friends fan and The Big Bang Theory fan. This Harry Potter frame I have already talked about it. I feel like this frame puts everything together and it's the main attraction of this table. And in front of that I have two idols. Here is my purse, and here I have all the necessary stuff, scissors, sellotape, glue and everything like that. Here I have my printer, the printing papers, and now I'll explain the pictures that I stuck over there. So on the four corners you would see four Hogwarts houses. There is Gryffindor, Hufflepuff, Slytherin and Ravenclaw. Ravenclaw is my house and Slytherin is my second house. There we have diagonally. You can see the Gringotts Bank and the Dragon of Gringotts. Now on the second row we have the Mordus map with a symbol of Deathly Hallows. Then we have an aesthetic picture of January because it's my birthday month. Then we have a picture of Jesus Christ. Then we have the house codes of all the four houses. Then we have Professor Snape with his iconic line, after all this time always. And in the last row we have first the Hogwarts Castle, then there is the Hogwarts Express, then another picture always with the Petronas door on it, and we have Voldemort and Nagini. I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Let me know whether you guys like these kinds of videos and everything in the comment section down below. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye, and do subscribe to my channel for more such newer content. Bye.